The end of 2025, millions of jobs in the US could vanish because of AI. The real question is, will your job be one of them? Right now, artificial intelligence is quietly reshaping the workforce. In offices, factories, and even hospitals, AI systems are being adopted at a speed we have never seen before. Experts say we are only months away from seeing entire industries disrupted permanently. Think back to 2007, when the iPhone launched. Nobody realized it would destroy the taxi business, travel agencies, or even camera companies. Now, the disruptor is AI, and the impact could be 10 times greater. One of the first industries under threat is customer support and call centers. In the United States alone, more than 3 million people work in these jobs. But AI voice systems and chatbots are already answering thousands of calls every single day. These bots are cheaper, faster, and available 24/7. I tested one myself. It sounded so human that it was hard to tell the difference. For companies, this is a win. For workers, it's a looming disaster. By 2025, many of these jobs could be gone. The second major category is content creation and copywriting. Writers, bloggers, and junior marketers are now facing competition from AI writing tools like ChatGPT and Jasper. These systems create blogs, ads, and product descriptions in seconds. Entire agencies are replacing entry-level staff with AI subscriptions. Imagine graduating with a degree in marketing only to find out a bot can do your work faster and cheaper. This threat is already happening right now. The third, and perhaps most shocking, industry is trucking and delivery. Across Arizona, California, and Texas, self-driving trucks are being tested every day. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Aurora are betting billions on autonomous fleets. Truck driving is one of the most common jobs in America. If AI fully takes over this space, it could be the largest wave of layoffs in US history. But the list doesn't stop there. Retail cashiers and fast food workers are next. Walk into McDonald's or Walmart today, and you'll already see self-checkout machines, kiosks, and even robot kitchen assistants. For big companies, this means less payroll, fewer sick days, and no overtime costs. For workers, it means jobs that once felt safe are vanishing, sometimes overnight. Another hidden victim is paralegals and junior lawyers. AI legal tools are already scanning documents, drafting contracts, and predicting case outcomes. What used to take teams of law clerks hours can now be done in minutes. The legal industry isn't disappearing, but the number of entry-level opportunities could shrink dramatically in the next few years. And then there's healthcare. AI isn't replacing doctors yet, but radiologists, lab technicians, and administrative staff are already seeing tasks automated. Hospitals are using AI to read scans, manage patient records, and even recommend treatments. This doesn't mean humans will vanish from healthcare, but it does mean that fewer humans may be needed. This is not science fiction, it is already happening. Customer service, writing, trucking, retail, law, and healthcare are just the beginning. Experts predict that by 2030, up to 300 million full-time jobs could be replaced worldwide. Imagine walking into your office and finding half the desks empty, not because people quit, but because they were replaced. Imagine scrolling through job sites only to find AI versions of your own role. But here's the twist, not every job will disappear. Some will evolve. Some will grow in demand. Roles like AI engineers, data analysts, and prompt designers didn't even exist a few years ago, and now they pay six figures. The future belongs to people who learn how to adapt and use AI, not those who ignore it. So the question is simple, are you preparing for this change, or are you waiting and hoping your job survives? Because by the time 2025 ends, it may already be too late. The choice is yours, adapt now, or risk being left behind.